Hi traders and aspiring traders, I'm sorry to disturb your viewing pleasure of this video, but this couldn't wait. I've got good news for you who have been looking for a transparent and a reliable broker. I want to recommend this new broker that I've recently been using. It's called FxPro. I had the best experience with it since I've started using. Amongst the advantages of trading with FxPro broker, I would like to note zero spread whenever you place a trade on your Forex account, deposit from as little as 200 rands. A ZAR-based trading account. Get this, FxPro will double your deposit, meaning 100% of your deposited amount will be credited to the trading account. However, maximum credit amount will be $1,000 US. But I want to warn you that this credit is there to give you leverage in the market and you cannot withdraw it. Meaning what you can withdraw, it is the money that you deposited or your profits from the market, not the credit. And now, just for you, now they are organizing giveaway of valuable prizes such as Samsung Galaxy S8 Ultra, iPhone 14 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S23, iPad the 10th generation, iPhone 14 256 gig. All you need to do to participate in this giveaway is to register via my link down below the description box. Secondly, make a deposit and start trading. On September 22nd, the FxPro Instagram account will run a giveaway among the participants. Make sure you stand a chance of winning by clicking the link below to register and to deposit and start trading right now. Trade like a pro with FxPro.